Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about lean manufacturing wastage, that is also known as Toyota 3M model. That first M is Muda, second is Mura and third one is Muri. In this session we are going to discuss about what is Muda, Mura and Muri, what are their examples and what are the 8 R for waste eliminations. Now first we are going to discuss about Muda. Actually, muda means wastage. Means muda is Japanese word which meaning is waste. That is non-value adding activities that are muda. Actually, muda means uselessness or futility. That's meaning is waste. The example of muda are overproduction, overprocessing, waiting too much, transportation waste, inventory waste, means stocking of product, motions and defect waste, as well as skill waste also. That are the 8 type of wastage of muda. An example of one type muda is rework operation after a paint booth. And second example is two types of muda wastages, that is multiple movements of products and inventories between steps in fabrication and assembly process. For these steps can be quickly eliminated in a Kaizen workshop by moving production equipment and operator into smooth flowing cells. And another, there are two types of muda that facility must be aware while performing manufacturing process. The first waste is non-value adding but essential for the satisfaction of the customer. And second one is that is non-value adding activities also unnecessary activities for customer satisfaction, that is non-value and unnecessary. And second one is non-value adding but essential for the customer. That are two types of muda. And these are the 8 wastes. That short form is T moods. First, T means transportation, I means inventory, that is M means motions, and W for waiting or rotating process, and O means overprocessing, another O means overproductions, and D for defects, and S means skill, means not using worker to fullest of ability. That is a type of wastage. Second M is mura. That Japanese meaning is that Japanese words, that is mura, in English meaning is unevenness or irregularities. Especially irregularity is production levels. That is consistently stable level of production allow a business to effectively implement maintenance procedure and reduce worker fatigue. While unevenness production lead to more frequent equipment failure and employee burnout and increased difficulty in accurately planning. That is Mura. Mura means unevenness, irregularities. Examples of Mura is that is actually Mura drives and lead to Muda, means lack of uniformity, lack of means unevenness, and irregularity means mura. Example of mura are start overtime for worker in production, changes machine parameter to increase production speeds, utilize non-standard location in production and storage space, storage fields or increase work in process, order more raw material and auxiliary materials. That is the examples of mura. That is actually that is unevenness, inconsistency in process, unevenness, irregularity, lack of uniformity. That is the examples of mura. That is meanings of mura. Now the mura in workplace could begin with stabilizing a just in time production system. Just in time, that is also known as JIT process. Actually, just in time means keeping little to no inventory in storage, stabilizing a pull system from manufacturing process, means it meaning it right part must be delivered or made at right time and delivered in right time, right person, like right customer, and right interested party in right time, right quantity. That is known as just in time. Third M is Muri. Muri indicates overburden or overworking. Means overburden, that is also Japanese term. That's meaning is overburden or overworking. And actually overburden means unreasonable, impossible to work or beyond one's powers. That is Muri. Actually example of the Muri is overwork experience, means overworking. And another example is putting a machine under too big strain and expecting it to produce more and faster than possible. Another example is same in the case of the, in the sense of the worker, is placing them under pressure to work longer, harder or quicker than they physically can. Means placing a person to under pressure that work longer, harder, quicker and than they physically can, mean more than their physical capacity. And this is the waste elimination, that are 8 R steps. 8 are the steps that are using for the waste elimination. That first step is reduction in cycle time, second is reduction in setup time, third one is reduction in external and internal customer complaint for achieving zero defects, and next is reduction in new product introduction times, that is NPD time, reduction in scrap rework, and reduction in manufacturing costs, and reduction in consumable material cost and consumptions, and reduction in floor space utilized. That is the 8 R for the waste elimination. Thank you so much for this session. Thank you very much.